Using Namecheap Hosting is straightforward and user-friendly. Here's how to get started. Choose a hosting plan. Visit the Namecheap website and navigate to the hosting section. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Options include shared hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers. Purchase hosting. Click on the selected plan, customize it if necessary, and complete the purchase process by creating an account or logging in. Access the dashboard. Once your purchase is complete, go to the Namecheap account dashboard. From there, access the hosting management panel. Set up your website. You can use built-in tools to install a content management system like WordPress. Namecheap often provides a one-click installation feature for ease. Manage your files. Use the File Manager or FTP to upload files. You can also configure databases if needed through cPanel. Set up email. Choose professional email accounts associated with your domain directly from the hosting panel. Monitor performance. Utilize the provided analytics tools to track your website's performance and make adjustments as necessary.